Honor launched its new smartphone underplay series in China called Honor Play 11 Plus. Now, let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Honor Play 11 Plus features a tall 6.6-inch 1.5K resolution AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 6500 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6500E Lite chipset paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 16 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 GB of onboard storage. In terms of optics, the Honor Play 11 Plus sports a 50-megapixel main camera on the rear with f1.8 aperture. And for selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the pill-shaped hole-punch cutout at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 based on Magic OS 10 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP66 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 157.43 by 75.35 by 7.34 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams. So now, let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Honor Play 11 Plus has been priced in China at 2,199 Chinese yuan, and it is now available for purchase in the country in sunrise gold and moonlight silver color options. So, what do you guys think of this Honor Play 11 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.